Lxme is India's first financial platform exclusively for women. From earning to investing, the Lxme app is designed to guide you through every aspect of money management. It's super easy to use and has lots of features that you can benefit from. So let's get to it. Firstly, download the Lxme app if you haven't already. So let's do a quick walkthrough on the Lxme app. You can see 3 sections on the bottom band of the home feed: Being Lxme Community, Ask button and My Money tab. Let's look at each of this section. The Community tab consists of conversations amongst all community members. It's where you can seek informative content on many financial topics and comment on posts. At the top of the tab is the widget to register for all our live sessions. They are free of charge, so don't forget to make the most of them. If you scroll down, you'll also find modules on investing. These quick and easy modules will help you learn the basics of investing in just 15 minutes. Do check it out. You can also access your notifications like likes, comments and tags by clicking on the notification button and clicking on it to reply. You can access the My Money tab journey by clicking on the top left corner where your profile picture is situated. On answering a few simple questions, this journey categorizes you into one of the 4 profiles and allows you to understand where you stand on your money journey and what's next for you as an investor. There is also a unique referral code that you can share with your friends to get them onto the Lxme app. Use this to refer your girlfriends on the Lxme app and win exciting goodies. By clicking on the Ask tab, you can ask any questions on any topic of your choice. Our money coaches are here to guide you with all the answers you may need. Ask a question, put a poll, or simply talk about how you feel when it comes to money. Would love to hear your thoughts. The My Money tab. This tab allows you to open an investment account, plan for your investments, and choose a portfolio that best suits your goal. So firstly, let's check out the calculators. Currently, we have 3 calculators on a Lxme app: the retirement calculator, the tax saving calculator, and the goal calculator. Soon we will be launching a child education planning calculator. So new moms, watch out for this. The goal calculator is truly eye-opening. Let's check out how much you need to save for your financial goals. Let's take an example. You need 5 lakh after 5 years. OMG, this value is shocking. Try yours and see how much you need to invest to achieve for your goals. Similarly, you can try out retirement calculator and tax saving calculator to effectively plan and manage your finances. Next up, let's look at the mutual fund portfolios. Did you know that on an average it takes 1,400 hours periodically to select the best mutual fund portfolio? Wow, that's a lot. Our team of experts at Lxme handpicks each portfolio to curate the basket, ensuring you get the best plans for your goals. All you have to do is define your goal and select a plan. For example, you should choose long-term portfolio for retirement planning, short-term for vacation planning, and obviously tax saving plan for effectively saving your taxes. Now, coming to this, you can click here to open a Lxme account, and guess what? It only takes 5 minutes to do so. Cool, right? We have step-by-step video on account opening. Drop us a comment and we'll share the link with you. So that's it, guys. Hope this app demo really helped you understand the variety of features present on the Lxme app. If you have any queries, please drop in your comments and we'll get back to you.